Hi, I'm Aaron Dowd with Orchard Services, and I'm here today to talk to you about a Japanese yew, the Pringle variety. So this is a dwarf variety. It's a lot of fun for us to plant this in your yard. It's an evergreen plant. A lot of people have heard of Japanese yews. It's got evergreen foliage. It's almost like a pine variety because of the type of leaf. It's not a very soft leaf. It's more like a very broad pine needle than a leaf. Evergreen in color, like I said, so meaning that this guy's going to stay green year round. They did really, really well even during the really hard freezes that we had. So this guy is one that will last in the landscapes. It's also deer resistant. The deer don't like this one. You can prune it when it's younger, like this one. It's about a year old. They're a little more loose. But as you kind of start to prune this one and shape it, you can actually get this to be a hedge if you wanted it to be. I tend to like my landscapes to kind of grow more naturally. It's just a lot lower maintenance for me. And I love to see just what the naturalness of what the plants like to do. But some people like that structure. This one can fulfill that need. It will take some time for it to grow into that space. But the nice thing is it's so hard to find a shrub that stops growing at about 2 to 3 feet in height. And that's what this one does. It will not cover your 5 to 6 foot tall window. This one is going to stop at around your hip height. It's just a fun plant, and it's so hard to find those that will fill that. Now they get to be about that wide as well too, so you can do a little further spacing on them if you want to. There's really no flowers to speak of or fragrances or anything like that. It's an evergreen plant, adds a little nice texture and color to your landscape. Just low maintenance, very hardy. It does not need a lot of water or care as it gets older. Very little pruning, very little insect diseases or anything like that that you need to worry about. It's just a very hardy, great shrub for the Houston area. So do something exciting in your landscape today. Thank you.